Hello my beautiful souls! Welcome sa ating tarot reading sessions. Keep in mind, general reading po ito. Maring mag-resonate, maring hindi. Kunin nyo na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maring mag-shift the energies or magkabaliktad ang sitwasyon. Kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar sa reading natin, okay? So let's see. So we have here the Seven of Wands and the Knight of Swords. 10 of Wands and the Page of Pentacles. 9 of Wands and the Emperor. 6 of Swords and the 3 of Wands. So yung bottom card natin, Tower card. Okay. So may specific sign tayo dyan ng Aries. Okay. So kung ano man nangyari sa inyo nitong taong to or nitong Aries person na to, ayan, kung long distance situation kayo, nasa malayo siyang lugar ngayon, nakatingin siya sa'yo from afar, kung may nangyaring, kung nagkaroon kayo ng long distance relationship, may nagloko, ayan, nagkaroon ng separation, ang bigat ng mga pangyayari dito na you are guarded and wounded, parang sobrang bigat ng mga pangyayaring ito, no? Pero tingnan mo natin anong message ng Archangel dito. Kasi someone new is coming with the energy ng Knight of Swords natin. Maring strong air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, coming in. No, at the same time, itong person na to from the past, from a long distance, ay parang makikipag-communicate ulit sa'yo. So, we have here Angel Therapy by Archangel Raphael. Give your cares and worries to us, angels, and allow us to take your burdens. So, tingnan natin anong mga cards natin dito. Signs and symbol cards. So, we have here coffin and newspaper. So, may marireceive ka ring news about that person from far away. No? Kung may twin flame connection dito, nako, malakas ang energy na babalik tong taong to. Ayan, with a compass, mirror, butterfly. Nako, kung nagkaroon siya ng spiritual awakening dito, kaya parang nag-U-turn siya pabalik. Ayan. So, tingnan natin. Kuha tayo ng mga messages sa ating tarot messages oracle cards. So, mukhang haharap sa ito na parang teary-eyed or umiiyak. Tingnan natin. So, we have, ayun, can we start again? Mukhang lulod pa to sa harapan mo eh. You're my rest and my healer. Moving forward, I'm being defensive. Husband, wife, material. I'll start to save money. I miss you so much. Ayun na nga, oh. Crying over you feeling lost. So, iiyak to sa harapan mo para mag-sorry. Ayan, I regret rejecting you. So, tinan pa natin more messages. Finding out the truth crushed me. So, siguro may nanira din sa'yo before. Kaya parang umiwas tong taong to. You don't know how hard it was to let it go. I hope that you can forgive me one day. And then, hihingi siya ng tawad sa'yo sa nangyari. Na naniwala siya sa mga nanira sa'yo. I want to tell you how I feel. I wish I could take back my words. May mga masasakit din siya nasabi sa'yo eh. Nagsisisi siya na nasabi niya yon. I knew exactly what I was doing. I regret lying to you and it was my fault but I blamed you. Okay. So, ang laki ng pagsisisi niya ha. I feel you leaving me behind. And then ngayon, parang ikaw naman tong iwas sa kanya ngayon. Kuha tayo ng initials. Okay. M R C S X K Q T W E V A. L ang bottom card. So, let's see sa ating blue card. Acceptance, confessions, and jealousy. And magseselos din siya dun sa new person coming in for you na paparating. Kasi may new person coming in. So, pagseselosan niya yan, no? Kaya parang matitrigger din yan na mas matatakot siya na baka mawalan na siya ng chance. So, tingnan natin sa general signs and the messages. Kaya talagang gagawa yan ng way para hindi siya maunahan nung taong yon. Good heart, vulnerable, coins is earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Pisces, number 8, very loyal and marine twin flame connection, August, Luzon, caring, ex-lover, may other country, sexy body, Taurus, number 5, very serious, lake, travel. So, kung long distance kasi talaga no need ng mag-travel, sweet, summer, green-minded, plastic. May mga nanira din ng mga plastic person, birthmark, and the runner card. Ayan. So, yan ang ating reading, my beautiful souls. Thank you for watching. Take care, and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.